Greetings! I'm a product manager of Tucson Bobcat, and today I'm thrilled to introduce Bobcat EarthForce series, featuring our latest innovation in mini excavators. Let me present the E33z, a true benchmark in the mini excavator category with an operating weight of 3,950 kilograms. It is powered by Kubota D1703 engine, delivering 18.5 kilowatt of power, and the bucket digging force reaches an impressive 31.8 kilonewtons, making it a powerful and reliable machine for various applications. The E33z is equipped with a robust travel system featuring auto idling for enhanced efficiency. A standard boom holding valve ensures the arm remains secure without risk of dropping. The independent front control box structure simplifies cab disassembly and replacement, and while the canopy configuration adds versatility. Additionally, the crushing line is routed to the stick end and making attachment connections quick and effortless. For intuitive operation, the E33z features a pilot joysticks and 7-inch touchscreen with advanced functionality. The interface is user-friendly and packed with the features such as Bluetooth connectivity, fault alarms, maintenance reminders, and work clocks. Buttons are centrally integrated on the right side. Complementing the touchscreen is deliver an exceptional operator experience. The 3-stage damping system with engine, cab, and suspension seat ensures maximum safety and comfort the driver. The enclosed cab is equipped with air conditioning and heating, with strategically placed air outlets for optimal airflow. Maintenance is made simple with fully openable tail and right hoods, providing easy access to essential components like multi-way valves, hydraulic tanks, batteries, and more. The main valve pipeline at the front right is neatly arranged for convenience and aesthetic appeal. Thanks to specialized sealing scheme, the E33z boasts excellent overall sealing, ensuring durability and reliability in demanding environments. We invite you to visit your local dealer to experience the E33z firsthand. Bobcat wishes you success, and thank you for watching.